Hey everybody, what's up? It's TJ. Don't mind me. Don't mind me whatsoever. I'm just running around my house at 4 a.m. cleaning. I've been up almost all night. Yeah, it's my schedule, y'all. My work schedule's got me all messed up, and yeah, so here we go. I want to show you guys the best, most efficient cleaner that you can have. That's kind of like an all-in-one. And you can make it work for just about anything. You know, wiping down your cabinets, the inside of your fridge, the top of your stove, the inside of your microwave. You can do your bathrooms with this. You can even pull off doing your floors with it if you use just a tiny bit. So, let me show you guys how to do this. I'm going to slip my gloves on, which are a piece of junk. They don't fit right, I don't think. They're not tight fitting enough. So they kind of bother me. The loose fitting bothers me. So yeah, I can't buy those big bulky ones. No. I see they're sliding. Yeah, I don't like that. Anyway, so I just got an old Dawn dishwashing liquid container. See, I just got a tiny bit in there. Yeah. Let me set it here where you guys can see. Oh, you know what? I can't wear this. Nope, not happening. I'm going to take regular Dawn, and you get the kind that does not have the antibacterial or the bleach in it, okay? Do not get that kind. Just get the regular Dawn. I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to fill it up to about maybe a half. Okay. Put that back down here where it belongs. And I'm going to get me some bleach. You guys, I keep these up under my sink. I have a couple of them. And when it is out, I just refill it from my bigger container. You can buy these at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. I got to get used to saying 25, y'all, instead of $1. And I'm just going to put, let's see, about that much, okay? Then, put this back down there. Turn my water on low and fill it the rest of the way up. And I probably put a little too much Dawn dishwashing liquid in it. But that's okay. It'll go further, you know. You just shake it up. Now you have your own gel, and this will, of course, turn clear because of the bleach. Now you have your own gel, and you can use it in multiple ways. You guys, you can even clean your stainless steel with it. Just, you have to dry as soon as you clean. As soon as you wipe it down, you dry it with a dry towel. Okay? All right, so how to use this. It's easy. And you would do your bathroom and your sink and your bathtub the same way I'm about to show you how to do the sink. Okay? Just turn your water on, get your rag good and wet. Drop it. Take your cleaner. Squirt a little bit in there, not much. You guys see that? Okay. Take your sobbing wet rag and start cleaning. Believe me, that Dawn dishwashing liquid breaks stuff down better than most cleaners you can buy off the shelves. Make sure you get up underneath those edges. I'll do the other side. See, I had enough to do both sides with. I just got finished doing my dishes. Y'all, dishes is never ending in this house. I'm going to wet my rag just a little bit more. Now these, I don't worry about washing because I'll stick these in a dishwasher. Okay? And let them get really good and sanitized. Now with the drains, I just go around it, go in it, stick the rag down in there, and twist. Okay, that cleans it pretty doggone good. All right, now there's that. Trying to lift this up with one hand. Rinse my rag really good. I'm going to show you guys how to do it for wiping the counters down. I'm going to turn my water down and rinse my sinks. All right. Now, turn the water back up. Plug your sink. You guys, hold on a second. Let me finish this and I'll finish what I was going to say. Not much, okay? Not much. It doesn't take much. Just like a drop. Maybe a quarter of a teaspoon. And you see how this, you know, how it suds up just with that little tiny bit I put in here. You guys don't have to buy that expensive stuff from the store, okay? And there's no telling what's in it. You know what bleach is and you know what Dawn dishwashing liquid is. That's all you need. If you want to get fancy after that, I'll show you what to get fancy with, okay? I used to clean house. I cleaned house for about 15 years. Yeah. Okay, so drop your rag in there. Get you a clean towel. I'll use this one. It's hanging. Get you a towel, a dry one. Let me move these pieces of junk out of the way. I'll keep them just in case I have to use them. Put your rag in there. Wring it out. And start wiping. And believe me, my counters need to be wiped. Okay? And just wipe them down. And the trick to making them look good is dry them as soon as you do it. The bleach in there is sanitizing it. I have got one fly flying around in my stupid kitchen and I'm ready to get a pew-pew out. I've got my fly swatter out and I can't get it to land anywhere but on me. What the heck? Anyway. So yeah, you can do your stainless steel with it. And you do it just like you did your counter. You dry it as soon as you wipe it down. If you're going to spend money, you spend money on what you polish your stainless steel with. Let me go get it. I'll be right back. Okay, so the stuff in the stores, I can't remember what it's called right now. The stainless steel cleaner in the silver and black bottle. It's good, okay? It's fine. You can use that. But the best thing I've ever used, it costs more, but it lasts a whole lot longer. And I'll tell you what I mean. It's Sheila Shine. Some of you are going to be familiar with it. You're going to know this product. This is the best product I have ever found to do stainless steel with. You know how when you get the stuff from the store and you're going to do your stainless steel and you do a whole bunch? One spritz is all this takes. All it takes to use this. Just one, psh, that's it. It'll do the whole thing. That's the difference. It stinks, but who cares? It's got a strong odor. But other than that, there is no other cleaner that you need. And the way you guys saw me do my sinks, you do your bathtub the same way. You get your rags sobbing wet. You put your cleaner in, just like do a quick squirt around in it. You clean your whole bathtub with it and your shower. You do your toilets the same way. You put it inside your toilet bowl. Use your toilet bowl brush and clean it out. You can clean your whole outside of your toilet like that. You would do it like I'm doing this right now. The only thing is you don't want to do glass with it, okay, y'all? Not unless your glass is absolutely filthy and you need to clean it before you use Windex. I highly recommend you use Windex on your glass, okay? But I am trying to get my kitchen clean to do a video So I'm doing a video while I clean my kitchen. Why? Why? Okay. Anyway, I was cleaning my kitchen because I'm getting ready to do another video for you guys. But it's a cooking video, so my kitchen has to be clean for me to do that. Anywho, that's it, you guys. I will talk to y'all later. You guys have an awesome day, okay?